Hey everyone, this is Linda with Circle Heart Creations. We are on Totally Dazzled. Y'all, we're going to be doing a fun craft with our patriotic pack. Yeah, we're going to do a patriotic birdhouse. I'm just giving this a coat of the plaster. And this candlestick, y'all, came from the Hobby Lobby. Let me give that a quick dry. So, I have this that I got. This is just a surface that I got from Dollar Tree. They have a pack of these wooden surfaces. And I'm going to take my E6000. So I'm going to put a little bit of this E6000 on here. And then some hot glue. And I'm just going to, well, I'm just eyeballing. I'm sticking that on that little, so we're making kind of like a little platform down here. All right, so we're just gonna let that sit for a minute, and I'm gonna put this aside. I'm gonna bring this little birdhouse. This I got from Hobby Lobby. Okay. So I don't really have to paint the top. I'm gonna do something to the top, but I'm just gonna paint just the outer edge here. Again, I'm using plaster. Let's see. By Waverly. So let me paint the rest of this house. Yes, we're gonna do paint plaster. Let me dry this part. I got some craft paper here, and I think this craft paper I've had. I'll have to trim some of that off. We're gonna Mod Podge that on there, or decoupage it. We'll decoupage that. All right, so we'll take our Mod Podge. Take our Mod Podge. And I think it's this way. We're just going to take our Mod Podge, y'all, and this, yeah, I've had this craft paper, so it's just blue and some white stars. So we are going to, that's why I didn't paint this white up here, because this is some thicker paper than. Okay, so we're just going to that right up there. And dry it. So, that to cool off a minute. We're going to do the other side. Oh, we got another part to do. Hold on. We're going to put this on there too. Let's just go ahead and get it all on here. Yep. And like I said, I've already pre-cut all this. All I did was put the paper on here, and I scored it with my fingers and just cut my craft paper, y'all. All right, let's see if that doesn't pop up on me. Well, I don't know. Here is our little house. Now right here, I will be we're gonna be blinging that out. Oh my. Okay, let's get the edges like I don't like to put too much on here because I don't like it to bubble up. That we will put a light coat just to seal it. Okay, so this is bling wrap. This is the silver bling wrap, y'all. Totally Dazzled has, and this is not even, this is only a part of the big roll that you get. I need 2 rows. I think I need 2 rows. We're gonna glue that on here. Glue that on there. I'm just gonna use the hot glue, y'all, just for time's sake. And where's my little finger protector? I don't know. Okay, let's put the other side on. So here's our little sparkly house. Okay, so I'm gonna come around here. I'm just gonna finish that off there. Even though it's kind of slanted, that's okay. Okay, so we have some, yeah, you can see that. Let's see. Okay, so we have the star. That's pretty. I like it. So we're gonna E6000 this, and let's see. I'm gonna go ahead and bling it out, y'all. I'm just gonna go for it. We're gonna bling this out. Okay, so we've got all our bling all the way around. I got this little floral foam. This little floral foam. I'm going to dress this up in some red, white, and blue ribbon. And I'm gonna dress this up real quick. So we're gonna do, I'm just gonna dress this up. We're just gonna have to use a little hot glue just to tack it. Okay, y'all, so we're just gonna stick this down there. So I'm just going to use this little floral foam, y'all, and stick some red, white, and blue stuff in there. You don't need a very big bow in there. So far we've got that. I'm gonna put some more stuff right in here, and I'm gonna stick this right here. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna put this on the other side. So y'all, here is our little Hobby Lobby birdhouse. The candlestick is from Hobby Lobby. Look at that cute bling from Totally Dazzled. Then we did use our bling wrap here around that birdhouse. Then all these little whimsical things are from Hobby Lobby, y'all. And there's our Totally Dazzled piece there, and there's our USA.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.